I'm here to talk about two bills this morning that are part of this package. The first is transnational repression, which many might be like, what is that even? The general public, they're going to see that and think, what is this transnational repression stuff? But transnational repression happens when foreign governments reach beyond their borders to intimidate, silence, and even harm members of their own country who are in exile in other countries, for instance, living here in the United States. This bill strengthens penalties for criminal acts designed to harass, intimidate, silence, punish individuals in order to enforce a foreign government's control or ideology. Wisconsin will not allow governments to extend their repressive practices to exiles, dissidents, journalists, political opponents, or adversaries who have sought refuge in our state. And then the second one is very important as well. Obviously, with a healthcare background, your healthcare information should be kept private. Not only should it not be shared with your neighbor, but we certainly don't want to be sharing it with other countries, especially countries that might not like us too much, might be enemies. But genetic sequencers produced in certain foreign nations, particularly, once again in China, are increasingly used to collect large volumes of genetic data. This data is then exploited and used in advanced biotechnology research and military applications. Beijing Genomics Institute and its affiliates are sanctioned by the Department of Defense for working with China's military and by the State Department of Commerce for human rights abuse. The Chinese Communist Party is suspected of leveraging BGI for genetically targeted bioweapons. This legislation ensures that our genetic material cannot be accessed or misused for harmful purposes against our country and those who seek refuge here in the state of Wisconsin.